ground, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't called gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beat, put on the map, put on my team. Take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rep, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would, now I'm running. You don't. Still ain't know where you can find me at. Journey through the mind of an insomniac. I ain't never sleep, staying ready. Keep an eye out for the fakes, for the snakes. Load a clip and I'ma pull it, something shakes. Never go to battle if you plan to lose. Life a game of chess, you gotta plan the moves. Middle fingers up, I'm not a fan of rules. Fighting for the right to live in peace and not like animals.
Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. You'll be notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. You'll be some warriors, they ain't no gunners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beam, put on the map, put on my team. Take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rep, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would, and now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, no motherfucker running this. I've been in the trouble with the truth, trying to get it what it do. Battling and I ain't never lose.
Yo, congratulations on the 9 years, NCS. I've been supporting your channel since like 2018, but I first found it in like 2016. So it's pretty crazy to see it become this big, and I hope that it continues to grow as time goes on. So yeah, this is Indiegogo.
Since 2013, I've watched NCS grow from a small channel it was to the large one it is now. And I couldn't be more happier to see where NCS is going. The music NCS puts out on their channel has influenced my life more than anything else, and it's so amazing to see it reach 9 years of existing. Every single release has a place in my heart, no matter if I like some more than others. And I couldn't be more excited to see what NCS does in the future. Happy birthday, NCS. Here's to 9 more years of amazing copyright-free music. Thank you for the music and memories. Naruto.
Happy birthday, NCS. Thanks for all the music that you've provided. You're partly why I'm into EDM. I remember finding your channel through a speedkeeping video. The song used was Fario Cloud 10. Channel has really impacted me, and I would not be the same without NCS for sure. Let's hope things get even better as time goes on. Matrix. Hearts of fire, we will dance all night. Young and free.